Towering 2,310 feet above the city of Rio, the Christ the Redeemer statue has been an icon of fascination for more than 100 years. We're about to take you through a captivating tour of this wonderful masterpiece of a monument and also shed a bit of light on its origins. Stick with us till the end of the video, cause this is definitely something you don't want to miss. A monument of Jesus Christ called Christ the Redeemer, or Cristo Redentor in Portuguese, can be found in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Millions of people visit this famous statue each year to take in its magnificence and beauty, making it one of the most well-known and cherished landmarks on the entire globe. The statue is a stunning work of engineering and art, standing 98 feet tall and carrying over 635 metric tons. Its designers were the Brazilian engineer Heitor da Silva Costa, the French sculptor Paul Landowski, and the Romanian sculptor Gheorghe Leonida. It was built between 1922 and 1931. The monument is perched atop Corcovado Mountain and provides a view of Rio de Janeiro. Visitors can either hike a number of steps and trails, or take a steep train journey up the mountain to get to the statue. The reward for the exertion, though, is the breathtaking view that awaits at the top. When a local priest proposed the idea of erecting a Christian memorial up top Mount Corcovado, the idea for creating a colossal statue of Jesus Christ in Rio first emerged. He reportedly asked Princess Isabel, who was the Princess Regent of Brazil and the daughter of Emperor Pedro II at the time, to provide funding for the endeavor, but the plan was abandoned after Brazil's declaration of the Republic, which distinguished the nation by separating the church from the state, was proclaimed in 1889. The Roman Catholic Archdiocese in Rio and a group of locals didn't want to start worrying about the lack of religious faith in the Brazilian community until after World War I. They hoped that by erecting a sizable statue of Jesus on top of a mountain in Rio, it would rebel against what they had saw as an increasing godlessness in the nation. It was asked that the statue be erected atop Mount Corcovado so that it would be visible from every point in Rio and serve as a means of reclaiming Rio. At the time, Rio was Brazil's capital city for Christianity. Beyond its impressive size and location, Brazil's citizens place a great deal of cultural and religious importance on Christ the Redeemer. The statue, which serves as a focal point for important religious and cultural events, is revered as a representation of peace, hope, and togetherness. Along with its cultural importance, Christ the Redeemer is a well-liked travel destination for people all over the globe. Visitors gather to take in the magnificence of the statue, the breathtaking views of Rio de Janeiro, and to explore the nearby national park. The statue's position as a world icon has also been cemented by the fact that it has appeared in numerous movies, TV shows, and other forms of media. From its appearance in the 2016 Olympic Games opening ritual, to its portrayal in the timeless 1960s movie Black Orpheus, Christ the Redeemer continues to pique people's interest around the globe. A truly captivating landmark, Christ the Redeemer has won the hearts of millions of people all over the globe. It is a testament to human ingenuity and innovation, and a reminder of the importance of faith and optimism in our lives because of its enormous size, stunning location, and cultural significance. Christ the Redeemer is a sight that shouldn't be ignored, whether you're a devoted Christian or just a fan of stunning beauty.